Hi, kindergarten. So I wanted to try today to do a morning meeting with you. So I have our morning meeting that we always do up on the screen, and we'll just go through it, and we'll do our day of the week, we'll do our date, we'll do the weather, and we'll even put up a number pretending that we've been in school for another day. So we'll start with our days of the week, and you can sing along the days of the week song with me. So we go days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, good job. We'll go to our calendar. And when we see our calendar, we need to add the next number to the calendar. So I have a 24 for yesterday. We're going to pull out our numbers, and today we're going to find the number 25 to slide over to our calendar. Grab that. We'll put that there, and when we put that there, now we can look and we can take our month and the number, and we can say today's date. So we would say it is March 25th today. Now that we know it's March 25th, what we can do is we can take out our days. We can slide our eyes up from the number 25, and we see this word at the top. That's our day of the week. It begins with a W, so that's a w sound. We need Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. And if today is Wednesday, that means that yesterday would be Tuesday. So we'll get Tuesday and we'll slide that one over. And if yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. So we'll get Thursday and we'll slide that one over as well. All right. We'll take our days away and we'll take out our months. And we can stand up and we can do our months of the year song. So you can do this at home. So we would go January, February, March, April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. We go again, January, February, March, April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. And then we'll go really quick. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. All right, we'll put that away. And we'll go to our weather. So I have to take a look outside today. And when I take a look outside my window, I can see that it is sunny outside, and I'll put the sunny sign on our weather. And then when we look at our weather, we're going to take a look at what we've had the most of so far. So if I look, I see that we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sunny days. So I think we've had the most sunny. Can you tell what we've had the fewest of? What have we had the fewest of so far? And if you're looking down here at snowy, you're right. We've had the fewest snowy. We've had 0 snowy days. All right, we'll go to our next one. And on our next one, we usually do our alphabet chart, but we don't have our alphabet chart, so we'll skip that for today, and we'll go to our hundreds chart. And when we're on our hundreds chart, we have to take another green square, and we're going to cover the number 123, because that's how many days we had been in kindergarten, 123 of them. All right, so to practice counting today, what we'll do is we'll do the big number song, and we'll all count to 100. All right, I hope you liked the first video, and I'll see if I can start adding some more as we go.